having much luck here. Alright, reset. Start over from the beginning. Little click out of 5. Maybe, just maybe, I'm kind of thinking every time I get, feels like 4 is that my problem, but maybe I'm oversetting him right from the start. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, not much. Just click on a 3. There we got something. Nothing out of 1, nothing out of 2. One, 2. That was my pick falling off the boarding. Four. Oh, click on a 5. Let's see if I can get anything out of this. Wonder if 4 maybe, just maybe, is a really low cut. And I gotta leave him and then get 5 set behind him maybe. Ah. I feel like I just made a move forward. Let's see, 1, 2 is set up there. 3, 4. Oh, there I got solid feedback on 5. There it is. Holy man. All right. Well, that's a definite not giving up. Okay. 42 minutes. All right. Ace almost aced me, but I refused to give up. So pin 5 was sitting way back there. 4's a really low cut. So 4 had to sit way, way down like this. And then I had to get 5 way the hell up there. So I'm betting if you look at that key, it would probably, see if I got something that would, something close to, something similar to that maybe. Only this is, looks like pin 3 on this key, but the really deep cut here, and then like a 0 cut for 5 way in the back. So it was blocking me. I wish I had the key to show that, but no idea if I even have the key for this. So ace, Long ass video, guys. If you stuck with me through the whole battle, greatly appreciate it. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Otherwise, don't forget, stay legal. And if you don't respect the keyhole, don't put your pick in it. Thank you, guys.